Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my craft room. Today I'm sharing with you a box of goodies, and this is the January 2022 goodie box or craft kit from Lovefromlizi. You can see the stickers there. The kit comes in a box and it's also in a large Ziploc bag, and this is to help in case your package ends up in water or in the rain with a delivery guy. That's the idea for that. These are also great for reusing. So let's go ahead, take everything out of the Ziploc bag now, and I'll show you what we get in this kit. So in this kit, we as usual get some lovely cardstock. We have a black card, and I'll just set that down there. We get a grey card. It's like a smoky grey. And we also get a couple of sheets of white smooth cardstock. There's 3 of these here, and they're for stamping or colouring, whatever you want to do on these. So we get 3 of those as well. So 5 pieces of cardstock come in the kit. Now we also get this ream. There is so much in this pack. It's just, there's so much. I don't even know where to begin. So I'm going to just start at the top as it's come in the pack. So we've got this, it's a cardstock, and it's got this gold foiling on it, and you can see it's gold foiling on vellum. So I don't know if the video camera is picking it up, but I can see my finger through the pieces here, so it's see-through. Absolutely lovely, and a really good heavy piece of vellum. We have another piece of vellum. Again, I'm hoping you can see my hand through that. This one, it's like a cloudy vellum. It's got gold, it's got like a dark navy and a grey on it. Beautiful. And these sheets measure 11 3/4 by 8 1/4. So a nice size. We also get this sheet of vellum, and it's got a silver foil polka dots on it. This one is like a paint streaks in gold on, again, the vellum. And then we get some, we have another one here. This is a sheet of paper. It's got foiling on it, and the background here is like a very dark grey, not a black, more of a grey on that one. Let's see what else. Okay. We get a sheet of white paper. It's more than paper. It's not, I'd say this is about 200 GSM, I'm not too sure, but it's heavier than paper but lighter than cardstock. And again, there's some gold foil dots on that. We have this one with silver on it. This is like a gold one we started with. It's a silver foiling on white. This is that dark grey with gold foiling. This is such an opulent paper and vellum. It's just beautiful. This is white. Again, it's like the vellum with navy, grey and gold foiling. This is the grey with a like muted black and white and silver foiling. This one is the grey with a gold foiled dots. This is the grey with silver foiled dots. This is white with they're like paint, you know, as if it was painted on, but it's silver foiling. Beautiful. And then we have this one, it's gold with a white background. Absolutely lovely. I'm loving these. I just think these will make fabulous cards for a special occasion, you know, like a golden wedding anniversary or silver wedding anniversary, or just they just look and feel so opulent. So we get a number of sheets, and they've got a load of die cuts and little things that we can make. So these pop out and they make little tags. We get this one, and it makes beautiful bows, and you can mix and match the bows. Another one, these make like little pillow boxes. We've also got little labels on them. Another one. This one makes envelopes, handmade by. Another one of those, and it's all in the colours of the kit, all for matching. So you can make a beautiful card. You can then make a little box or envelope to match. There's lovely tags and sentiments. These are lovely if you wanted to make little banners or toppers, you know, for a cake. Get 2 long skewers and some nice string, and put these over the string, and it would make a little banner. And they all pop out. They're ready-made die cuts that just pop out. These are lovely panels as well, you could put on the front of a card. We have lovely strips of varying different lengths. We have letters that can be used, and these are quite heavy. They're a good solid, I'd say they're 300 GSM, if not thicker. And we get 2 sheets of those, and then we get a sheet of these, and they're letters, and they are on a sticky back. I can feel there's a release paper there, so these are a sticker. Absolutely not. And we have numbers here, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, full stops, commas, question marks, exclamation marks. Lovely. That's fab. We get peel-offs like we do in each kit. These peel-offs are all the same width, so they're a nice thick peel-off. So if you're not too much into doing mats and layers, you can do a faux or pretend mat around your panel. Love those. They are fantastic for embellishing a card front or even an envelope. We get the stamp set, and this month the stamp set is thank you, and it's a whole range of different thank yous. We get some lovely stamps then. These you can use, they give that kind of a grungy look or a mixed media look. So you can stamp this down in one colour and then stamp your thank you on over it in a darker colour. Fantastic. I love them, and I love all the different thank yous, because I make thank you cards, and it's kind of hard sometimes going through all your stash of stamps to see if you have the right thank you that you want to use. So this is great. This is a really good go-to stamp set to have in your stash. Now, Lizzie, all we need is some happy birthdays, happy anniversaries, and get wells, and I would be just so happy. But that's a wonderful sized stamp set full of thank yous. We also get some dies in the kit, and these are the dies that we get. And I'm going to take the white sheet from here so that you'll be able to see all the different dies we get. So I think this is called a rosette. I'm sure Lizzie said what it was called when she did her unboxing. I just can't remember. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies, and like I said, we have the rosette, which is lovely. It's got little flowers on it here. Then we get this piece, which is it the same size? It looks to be the same size. Maybe it's, yeah, That's lovely. So you can die cut this out in one color, and then you could die cut this out in gold and have it on top. We have little banners, or fishtail banners, I think is what these are called. Now you could die cut out 2 of these, and you could layer these so they sit with our die cut piece. We get 2 of those. These are also going to be really handy for our thank you sentiments, because we can stamp our thank yous and use these. And we have this one as well, so I'm sure these will work with some of our thank yous. And then we get this, and if I'm reading it right, it says Queen for the Day. So isn't that fabulous? You can pop that there, and then your queen for the day, and you've got a lovely you know, layered piece to go on the front of your card. Love that. Fabulous, as Craig Revel Horwood would say. So we've got those lovely dies. I shall put them across here. Queen for the Day. Tootle that in there. Anyway, next we get some string, and I think this is baker's twine, and we have a white with a silver, and we have a black with a gold. The postman is passing by outside, and the dogs are having a shout at him, because that's what dogs do. We have a lovely little sample bag of the sequins, and you can purchase the larger bags of these on the website. And of course, Lizi has picked out a lovely white, gold, black and grey, so it all matches in with our kit. We have these little brads that we get as well that can be used, I'm sure, with some of the different makes here. You could nearly use them with the bows or whatever to keep them in place, but I'm sure they're going to come in very handy. We get some of these lovely gems, and they're a faceted gem. So we have them in black, in white, in a kind of pewter colour. Just bring them up there so you can see a bit better, and then your standard diamond colour. So that's fabulous. Again, all going to work in concert with our kit. So that is the kit. That's everything that comes in the kit, and I think you'll agree it's a full-on kit this month, well worth the money. And regarding the costs, etc., I'll have that all linked in the description down below. Now, as a designer, I've also got 2 add-on packs, and these are the peel-off add-ons. These peel-offs you can purchase on the website, and Lizi has them done in packs. So you've 4 different types. We have white with silver, we have grey, we have holographic, and we have black in one. And then in this one I have a gold, and this has the wavy edges on these, and they come in different widths. Then we have the gold holographic, just like the silver holographic here. I think these are all the same width. Then we have lovely little heart peel-offs, and I love these for embellishing a card, you know. A really cool idea. And then we have some of these little circles or dots, and these 2 packs you have a small, a medium and large on them. So I really recommend that when you go to the website you have a look at the add-ons that you can get with kits. So that's everything. I'm going to leave links down in the description so you can pop over to Lizi's website. You can have a look at the kits, either to subscribe or purchase previous kits. When Lizi has some kits left over, she puts them up on the website. So I really recommend have a look at Lizi's website. She has a fabulous shop, and she sells not just kits and peel-offs but other dies and stamps and everything in there. It's a fab little shop to go to for some of your crafty bits and pieces too. So I'm going to leave it there. That's our unboxing of the January kit. I think you'll agree it's a beautiful, opulent looking kit, and I am going to get busy now making my 10 cards 1 kit video with this lovely kit. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye for now.